Hi, in front of me I have OPPO Watch 41mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the tiles on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the side buttons. Then swipe left on the screen to browse through your tiles. Here you have the tiles. And we can customize them by pressing and holding on one to open this menu. Here we can remove the tile by swiping up on it. We can add the tile by tapping on Add Tile. And here you can select the type of the tile, for example, headlines. And you can also change the the order of them by tapping the arrow button below one, like that. And once you're done, just press the upper button. You can also use the phone app to do it. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the Wear OS app. And here we have tiles option. Let's select it. And we have our tiles. We can add one by tapping plus button and selecting the tile. And we should have it right here. Or we can also change the order of the tiles by pressing and holding on this icon next to one, dragging it, for example, to the top of the list. And as you can see, this tile is first now. And to remove the tile, simply swipe right on it, like that. And that's how you edit the tiles on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.